YouTube? Ali Dope checking in once again, yes sir, with another Photoshop speed art. This is the second week of Creatober, and for this week is a sports theme. As you can see, sports. So everything's gonna be sports. I got a speed art plan, which is this one. Another Photoshop detail tutorial. I'm still gonna go live and create something and review some other works. Today we're doing the Phoenix Suns and the Phoenix Mercury. They're the first team, WNBA, NBA team, to both make it to the finals in the same year. In nearly 20 years. That's a big feat. So I definitely got to show love to them. Diana Taurasi, I've been looking up to her since I've been playing basketball when I started in kindergarten. So love her. Love Chris too. My number was number 3 playing basketball, and he was a point guard, so I loved him on the Hornets. So had to show love to them. Without further ado, let's hop into this computer, man. I hope you enjoy that speed art for the beginning of sports week. We got more to come, but like always, man, keep hustling, keep creating, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time, Ali Dope, I'm checking out.